The Mercedes with spacers are wheel accessories that create more space between brake rotors and the wheels. This allows you to add bigger brake calipers correctly. They also increase the track width, hence strengthening the grip. As the gripping power increases, the resistance to rollover enhances. You'll experience better handling and more comfortable driving.
If you install them properly, high-quality Mercedes with spacers are exactly safe for daily driving. The thickness of Mercedes with spacers depends mostly on the car model and the wheel clearance. If you want to fit a big brake kit without significantly altering the wheel offset, then 12mm to 20mm spacers are more suitable. BONOSS Sport Lightweight Plus with spacers are machined with hollow carb.
BONOSS with spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles.
BONOSS Sport Lightweight Plus with spacers are machined with hollow carb. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced over 30%. The weight of this BONOSS with spacer is quite insignificant, and they won't damage any suspension parts.
Unlike their non-hub-centric counterparts, the spacers are designed to fit snugly over the hub assembly, ensuring a perfect fit and alignment. BONOSS with spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, the spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS with spacer provide a perfect solution.
No matter which size spacer you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure your safety.